Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking on the tour of 222 3rd Avenue in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse, and that pretty much says it all. This place is massive, it's beautiful, and I'm going to take you through, show you this entire incredible place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are outside the property, taking a look at the surrounding neighborhood here. You can see the little driveway there with the mailboxes. There's parking in the rear. And then here is the exterior of the property. So let's go inside. You have a fantastic first floor. This is the hub of your entire home. You've got the kitchen, the dining space right here, and then you have your living room area there. As you can see, you have an ample amount of counters, cabinets. I mean, the full appliance package. Are we kidding? You have your furnace room right here. Lots of room in there to be able to store like your brooms, your cleaning supplies, and things like that. Let me get a light on here. We've got the first floor, half bathroom. Love that it's centrally located for the entire space here. Send your guests there, not upstairs or downstairs. You've got your great little area right here that faces the rear of the home. This would be a really nice living room area. You can see my little One Focus car here, very close to your rear door, the dumpster as well. You also have your laundry on the first floor. This little area here could easily be dressed up with a little tension rod and some nice curtains. Now let's go downstairs. We've got 2 massive bedrooms downstairs. As you can see, this is big. You can definitely fit up to a king-size bed in here. You have a window for lots of natural light. In an emergency, the window pops open and you can go up the well there. And then you have a great closet here with a hang bar and a shelf. In between these wonderful bedrooms is a full-size bathroom. This is massive. You have a nice deep bathtub, nice tall shower head, all this vanity and medicine cabinet storage. And then you have a little closet storage here where the water heater is located. We have the second bedroom, equal in size, same kind of window, same spatial area, definitely suitable for a king-size bed. And you've got a nice deep closet with a hang bar and a shelf. Now we're gonna go back upstairs. And pardon me if I pant a little bit. This is a lot of house to get through because there is literally space for actual days. So coming around here, back to the front door, and we are going directly up the steps. Straight ahead, another bedroom capable of fitting a king-size bed, same size as the downstairs bedrooms, except we get a nice second floor view right out to the back of the property. And again, a nice sized closet with a hang bar and a shelf. The upstairs bathroom. This does not have a closet. However, you have this wide open space here that would easily fit some storage furniture, shelving, something like that to really maximize your storage space here. Same amount of storage here with the vanity and the medicine cabinet mirror, and a nice deep bathtub with a tall shower head. And then last but not least, we have the final bedroom. Certainly big enough for a king-size bed. Again, all these bedrooms are equal, so nobody has to fight. And this one has a slightly oversized closet, again, with the hang bar and the shelf. There you are. I thought I lost you in this massive, massive place. So you love it, right? Well, what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, but no matter what you do, just know One Focus Property Management is ready to help you make this your place.